Trivago Travel App Review, Usage Experience. Links to Trivago and related services are in the description. Trivago is a hotel search and booking app designed to help travelers compare prices and find the best deals for accommodations worldwide. If you're someone who wants to save time and money on hotel bookings, Trivago offers an efficient, user-friendly solution. One of Trivago's standout features is its comprehensive search engine that aggregates hotel options from multiple booking websites, including Expedia, Booking.com, and Hotels.com. This allows you to see a wide range of prices and room availability in one place, ensuring that you never miss out on the best rate. The app also provides filters to narrow your search based on factors like location, star rating, price range, guest reviews, and amenities. This makes it easy to find exactly what you're looking for, whether it's a luxury resort or a budget-friendly stay. The user interface is clean and intuitive, allowing users to quickly swipe through options, read detailed reviews, and view high-quality photos of hotels. One of the most helpful features is the map view, which lets you see hotel locations relative to local attractions, helping you make informed decisions about your stay. The price comparison feature is also highly useful, showing you how prices vary across different platforms, so you can book at the best possible rate. Trivago's Hotel Offers section highlights time-sensitive deals and discounts, which are a great option if you're looking to snag a last-minute deal. The app also includes a wish list function, so you can save potential options for later consideration. Overall, Trivago is an ideal app for budget-conscious travelers, as well as anyone who wants a quick and efficient way to book a hotel. Whether you're planning a business trip or a vacation, Trivago gives you the tools to find the best hotel at the best price, with an easy-to-use interface and a wealth of options.